This video will show you steps on how to create RDP in Digitalocean. You need first is to log into your Digitalocean dashboard, then click Create Droplet. Go to Custom Images tab, then upload a Windows Server ISO. Next is go to the Droplet page, then Console. The Windows installer will load. Once we're in Windows, we need to press Win plus R, then type sysdm.cpl. Go to Remote tab, then enable Remote Desktop. Open Windows Firewall and allow RDP. Lastly is to connect your RDP. On your computer, open Remote Desktop connection, then enter your Droplet IP, then log in with administrator and password you set. Now you're connected to a Windows RDP hosted on DigitalOcean. That's all. Thank you for watching.